Imagine waking up one morning to find that your entire business has been automated. What would you do? I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out. The truth is, we're living in a world where AI tools are advancing at an unprecedented rate, and it's changing the game for entrepreneurs and business owners. I've been exploring the world of business automation, and I'm excited to share my findings with you. It's amazing to think about how AI can streamline processes, boost productivity, and drive digital transformation. But what does this mean for our jobs, our businesses, and our way of life? As I delved deeper into the world of AI, I started to notice a pattern. Many tasks that were once thought to be exclusive to humans can now be performed by machines. And it's not just menial tasks, either. We're talking about complex decision-making, creative problem-solving, and even customer service. It's like having a super-efficient, always-on employee who won't take a sick day or ask for a raise. But here's the thing, this isn't just about replacing human workers with machines. It's about augmenting our abilities, freeing us up to focus on high-level thinking, strategy, and innovation. Think of it like a professional athlete who uses specialized equipment to enhance their performance. They're not replacing their skills, they're amplifying them. And that's where AI tools come in. They're the ultimate productivity hack. With the right tools, you can automate repetitive tasks, analyze vast amounts of data, and gain insights that would be impossible for a human to achieve on their own. It's like having a team of experts at your fingertips, working tirelessly behind the scenes to drive your business forward. As I explored the world of AI, I stumbled upon some fascinating examples of business automation in action. For instance, there's a company that uses AI-powered chatbots to handle customer inquiries, freeing up their human staff to focus on more complex issues. And then there's the story of a small business owner who used AI tools to automate their accounting, saving them hours of time and reducing errors by a significant margin. These stories got me thinking, what if we could apply this same principle to our entire business model? What if we could use AI tools to automate every aspect of our operations, from marketing to sales to customer service? It's a tantalizing prospect, but also a little unsettling. After all, what would happen to our jobs, our sense of purpose? As I pondered this question, I started to think about other industries that have undergone similar transformations. Take the music industry, for example. With the rise of streaming services, many artists and producers had to adapt to a new business model. And it wasn't easy. Many people lost their jobs, their record labels went under, and the entire industry was forced to reinvent itself. But in the end, it led to a more diverse, more innovative, and more accessible music scene. And that's what I think is happening with AI tools and business automation. It's a catalyst for digital transformation. It's forcing us to rethink our assumptions, to challenge our status quo, and to innovate in ways we never thought possible. It's like a wake-up call, a reminder that the only constant in business is change. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about the risks? What about the potential downsides of relying too heavily on AI? And those are valid concerns. After all, we're talking about complex systems that can have unintended consequences. But here's the thing, I believe the benefits far outweigh the risks. As I see it, the biggest risk is not embracing AI tools and business automation, it's getting left behind. It's failing to adapt to a changing landscape, and missing out on the opportunities that come with it. And that's a risk I'm not willing to take. So, as we move forward into this brave new world of AI-powered business, I want to leave you with a question. What would you do if you could automate every aspect of your business? Would you use the extra time and resources to pursue your passions, or would you reinvest them into your business? And as I reflect on my own journey, I realize that I've been guilty of resisting change in the past. But I've come to realize that it's okay to not have all the answers. It's okay to be curious, to be open to new ideas, and to be willing to learn. As we continue to explore the possibilities of AI tools and business automation, I'm reminded of the importance of staying curious, staying adaptable, and staying open to new ideas. And I think that's the key to thriving in this new landscape. It's not about being an expert, it's about being willing to learn, to experiment, and to innovate. But what does the future hold? Will we see a world where AI tools have replaced entire business models, or will we find new ways to work alongside these machines? And as I look to the future, I'm excited to see what's in store. I'm excited to explore the possibilities of AI-powered business, and to share my findings with you. So, what do you think? Are you ready to join me on this journey, and to explore the possibilities of AI tools and business automation? As we wrap up this conversation, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking question. What would happen if AI tools became so advanced that they could replace entire industries? Would we see a world of unprecedented prosperity, or would we face unprecedented challenges? And that's a question that I think we'll be grappling with for years to come. But for now, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think the future holds for AI-powered business, and how do you think we should prepare for it? So, if you're as curious as I am about the possibilities of AI tools in business automation, then join me on this journey of discovery, and let's explore the future of business together. And to stay up to date on all my latest videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel.